Hey guys, and welcome back. On this video, we're doing an inspirational sandwich, a Mexican pambazo. Pambazo, am I pronouncing that right? Which is an authentic Mexican style street food sandwich. This sandwich is strictly inspirational. I'm doing it my way, so let's get going. So as always, before we begin, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications. Make sure you don't miss some more videos. All right, so what we're starting off with is these dried guajillo chilies. You guys see these in bags in the grocery stores. They're real common. We're always passing by, we don't know what to do with them, but these things make awesome sauces. Very simple to do. All we do is just heat them up in some hot water. And what I got here is a bowl that I already soaked these in some warm water for about 15 minutes. I took the seeds out, just cracked them, dumped them in a bowl, discarded the seeds. And once they're nice and soft, we're gonna go ahead and get these into our blender. Got a little bit of Mexican oregano, about a teaspoon or so. And again, I didn't really measure this. I got about, I don't know, probably about 6 or 7 guajillo chilies, about this size, that I just soaked, to a teaspoon of oregano, Mexican oregano, and I like a lot of garlic, so I got about 5 cloves of garlic here. Throw a little salt and pepper to taste. What I got here is the reserved liquid from when I steeped those chilies, those dried chilies. We're gonna add about a cup of that liquid into here. And that's it, nice and simple. Let's go ahead and get this blended up. And that's about it. We'll go ahead and strain this with a strainer to get those chunks and those seeds out, make it nice and smooth. You got yourself a very flavorful, very basic red sauce. All right, so we got our red sauce all made, ready to go. And our next step, chorizo. This is pork chorizo. Now you can buy it in pretty much any store, any grocery store, and it comes into, in the sausage casing. Just remove that. I actually have some that I just bought from a Mexican store that just sells it by the bulk. So we're gonna get this onto a hot skillet, and I hope this is not too hot. What I got here is some nice thinly sliced ribeye. I'm gonna add that in there. That's kind of like my kick up a notch technique. Get some fresh steak in there. All right, so a Pambazo, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, calls for potato. And the normal recipe, you would take a potato, cube it up, put in some water, boil it till it's soft. I'm cheating, I got some hash browns. These are just breakfast hash browns that I got out of the frozen section. Same thing. Go ahead and get that in there. I wish you guys could smell this. This smells incredible right now. All right, we got a good cook on that. What I got here is some cotija cheese. Now, if I had the shredded Fiesta blend, Kraft regular cheddar and queso, how it comes in. But this is what I have. This is cotija cheese. I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle this right on top. And that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this off and let's set it aside. We gotta get our buns ready. All right, so here's where this sandwich gets, to me, gets over the top. What I got here is some, and Greg's gonna kill me for mispronouncing this. We talked about this the other day. Bolillo rolls. It's a Mexican style roll. If you can't find these, you can use Kaiser rolls. They work just as well. You can see they're nice and thin. Now I'm going to try this two ways. First way is I'm just going to cut a pocket right in there. Just a nice pocket, almost like a pita. The other way is I'm going to cut it just about all the way through until it opens up. Just like that. We have our red sauce right here. This is the guajillo chilies that we soaked, pureed with some oregano and garlic. We're just gonna dunk this right in there. Get this right on the grill. Get the other one dunked. Make sure we get the insides right on the grill. And this grill's nice and hot, so it's not gonna take long. Hear that? That is toasty. All right, let's go build some Sammys. So here's our chorizo potato ribeye with that cotija cheese all over it. I can eat it just like that. I can almost just crack some eggs over that, man, and just go to town. We're making a sandwich, so let's go ahead and get this off to the side. So we got our bolillo rolls all done. This is the one that we can open up. This is the one that I am going to stuff. So we just get a spoonful of our meat mixture and just push that down in there. Our other one, we're just gonna pile right up. All right, what I got here is some Mexican crema. It's basically just some sour cream. It's a little thinner than sour cream, but what I added to this was some lime juice and some cilantro. Get that spooned right over. Not gonna be shy. Same with our stuffed one. Some shredded lettuce. And I'm going to add some pico de gallo. This is going to be basically our chopped tomato. You can use chopped tomato if that's all you have, but I have some pico de gallo, which is basically just tomato, cilantro, onion. That's about it. All right, let's get this set up for the money shot. Get some of our pico on here. All right, so there we go. My ultimate steak and potato sandwich inspired by the Pombazo Mexicano style street sandwich. Let's bite into this. That is pretty top notch. That potato, that chorizo gives a spice. Got a nice piece of ribeye in there. That crema kind of cuts through the spiciness of the chorizo. Got some nice fresh crunch from that lettuce. These buns are crazy, man. You get that chili, that guajillo chili sauce that's all over it. That's pretty killer. You guys have got to give this a try. I'll see you guys on the next run. Thanks for watching.